That's how stars do. That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
This is how stars do.
Sir, sorry, sir. How do stars do?
Like I do.
I do. Eh.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do. First, I'm no more in your league. I'm now in the league of men. Because I'm in 8,000 subscribers. No, I don't mean like you are fucking, I mean like you get. I'm in 8,000. Can I use the F word in YouTube? Yes, I'm 8,000. I don't know if I can use the F word, but whatever. So guys, thank you so much for being with me in my best videos and my most stupid videos, and the videos you gave me just 99 views. Why did you do that? And the videos, I mean, I had like 50,000 views for the first time in my whole life last month, and I felt like, oh my god, this is so much love. I made it a channel that produces a video of 35 fucking minutes. Why am I using the F for 35 minutes? But you guys still watch it, stick to the end, you drop comment. I feel very indebted. Thank you so much for supporting Armstrong Osas, whatever that means.
All the French, Germany, Greek, and all these things that you speak, plus your exposure and educational background, I wonder why you have not made it in life.
I thought about how I could give back to you guys. And a cartoon fest is going to be like the best thing ever. What is it really? It's basically different people that make any kind of cartoons. If you make smudge paintings, if you make digital art, any type of digital art, vector art, even if you use your phone with Autodesk, you can still queue into this. The only thing you need to do is join the WhatsApp group, because that's where you're going to post your results, because I'm going to make a video about it at the end of the day to get to correct your mistakes. So we'll do it like this. There are 3 different days: day 1, day 2, and day 3. Now, I hope you can see my face and you're taking me very seriously. Now, day 1, you're going to paste your work on the WhatsApp group. Now, the link to the WhatsApp group is going to be in the video description. So you click on it and join the WhatsApp group. It's actually a group that's been working for quite some time. So after day 1, the whole thing comes out on Monday, today, and then you paste it tomorrow, Tuesday. Then the correction for that comes on Tuesday evening. Then the next video comes out on Wednesday. Your result should be out in 24 hours, which is Thursday, and then a correction comes out by Thursday evening. The deadline to drop your result for each particular day is 8 a.m. Very simple. So you have roughly 24 hours to get to do what you are supposed to do. It's that easy. Now, the criteria to participate is that you posted the link to each YouTube video on your WhatsApp or your Facebook, because these are the only 2 platforms that have clickable links. So you post them, and then when you post your work, you just post a screenshot of any of those alongside it. Very easy, simple as ABC, simple as eating a pie, or simple as wearing these glasses. See, that easy. How do you post it? You can just open your phone or WhatsApp, for example, and type "joining Armstrong Osas in the cartoon fest," and then you paste day 1 if it's day 1, and then you paste. It's that easy. Then you take a screenshot and send it to us. We're going to be picking the top 5 people for every single day after the end of that day. So it's that very easy. So what does the winner get to get? The winner gets to get an art from me pasted on my profile, my Instagram profile, and then he gets to get, say, a car from me, but that will be in 2095.
How?
Yeah, that works too. So however it is, you can just join in for fun, or you can join in for your ego. If you think you are good, or you think you are really, really good, let's bring up our A games. So guys, that's it. That's our start though. Last disclaimer before this video ends: if you're on that group, your phone number is going to get to show when I'm going to correct the order. So if you are joining this competition, it means you have given the whole world access to see your phone number. That's a good publicity if you ask me. So before somebody say that they came to call him because they saw their number on my page, I don't have that power to start dragging girls' number.
Just in case you have plans. Hey!
And please don't come on that WhatsApp group and start posting that you sell shoes. There are other places to sell shoes.